let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Which of the following is classified as a support activity in the Porter's value chain? Okay. Is it outbound logistics? Is it marketing and sales? Is it human resource management? Is it customer service? Now, you need to know the difference between support activities and primary activities. Okay. Support activities are activities that support the primary activity. What's the primary activity? The primary activity, think of it from R&D, or from the time you buy the material until the time you sell it and service the customer. If you're a manufacturer, that's part of the primary activities. So outbound logistics is part of making sure the product gets to the customer. That's part of the primary activity. Marketing and sales. I mean, outbound logistics and marketing and sales are very interrelated, because you want to market and sell, then make sure you deliver. So if A is correct, then B must be correct. But they're both incorrect because they're not support activities. Those are primary activities. Now, customer service is very tricky. Customer service is very tricky because some people think, well, I already sold the product, and customer service is part of the support activity. Actually, it's not. As far as the Porter's value chain, customer service is part of the primary activities. You made the sale, you're still servicing the customer, because you don't want to sell, then turn your back on the customer. This is the whole purpose of having to create loyalty. Therefore, D is also primary activity. The support activity under the Porter's value chain is HR. And I hope you understand this, because HR support every single department in the company, from production to sales to purchasing to accounting, so on and so forth. So it's a support activity. What should you do now? Whether you are a CPA exam candidate, accounting student, CMA student, go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources, multiple choice resources, exercises, simulations, AI. The best investment you can make is invest in yourself, whether you're studying for your accounting courses or professional certification, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.